So we're here on the residential foundation repair here. And Brian, he's finishing the exterior here. This is structural grout patch, hydraulic, and it does have waterproofing in it, built in. Nice crisp corners, beautiful work. Way to go, Brian. Then we go down here, these guys. So we chipped it out. We removed and replaced the J-bolts that were in here. Let's see, wait, turn this over. Removed and replaced the J-bolts that were there. They were all corroded. So we're going to be patching this back. And we're putting the snowballs in and then using the sponge float to just get it flush with it. Going up front. So we moved the decorative rocks back out of the way. We put tarps down, put the dirt on top of the tarps, and chipped the foundation out as you saw earlier, and replaced the rebar and the anchoring systems that are corroded in this stem wall foundation. And we put this structural 7,000 psi structural grout back into place, along with the anchoring systems. This looks real nice. For more information about foundation repair, stem wall repair, and anchor systems removal and replacement with the new retro fit anchor bolts, contact James at 602-418-2970, or you can always go to concreterepairman.com for more information. Be sure to watch your videos at Concrete Repairman LLC on YouTube. Thanks for watching and have a great day.